I am Nikita. In this video, we are going to learn Tratakriya, which is one of kriya of shatkarmas. So Shatkarma is basically origin from Maharishi Gheran's Gheran Samhita. Gheran Samhita mentions 6 kriyas, shatkarmas, to clean your internal body. Tratakriya is one of them. Whenever you are doing tratakriya, the dust, the pollution, the dust particles will come out from your eyes in the form of tears. So let's learn together. So let's learn tratakriya. For that, you need one stool, one candle. Put that candle on that stool and maintain 3 to 4 meter distance between you and the stool. You have to concentrate on the flame of a candle. Don't blink your eyes too much. Keep looking on the flame. If your eyes are burning, let it be. Keep looking. Let the tears come out from your eyes. Keep looking. Let the tear comes out from your eyes. If it's burning too much, then blink once or twice. You have to concentrate on a flame of a candle. So all dust particles, all dirt will come out from your eyes in form of tears. And it will ultimately increase your eyesight. Keep looking. Once you're done, blow the candle, close your eyes, and rest for a while.